Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once, or how to mass unfollow on TikTok. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to simply open the TikTok, log into your account and open your profile. And basically there is no such a magical option to unfollow everyone at once. You have to do it one by one, or the only method is to simply click on the three lines in the top right corner on your profile and go to settings and privacy. Here we need to scroll down to the end until we'll find report a problem and click on it. So basically we will ask TikTok support team to help us resolve this problem if we have too many followers or followings. So simply go and scroll down to the end until you'll find chat with us button, click on it, and it will open the chat with the TikTok support board. Here we need to type him something like report a problem and send this message to him, and he will answer us with the submit a ticket button. Click on it, and now here we need to describe our issue. So in our case we need to type something like, I want to unfollow everyone at once, but I have too many accounts I follow. So something like that. You need to type it by yourself. You can attach screenshot clicking on this photo button, and when you're ready you need to simply click on the submit, and this ticket will be sent to the TikTok support team and they will help resolve your problem. As you can see, it says in progress. Then you can go back in a few hours and check if the problem is gone or not. And basically that is it. That is how you can unfollow on TikTok at once from everyone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.